Here is a question. Read it carefully and think about the answer. Let us solve it step by step. Let us begin solving this step by step. The compound shown is 2,3,5,6-tetrabromoheptane, or an equivalent symmetric tetrabromide, which contains 4 stereocenters. The structure has a pseudosymmetry. The molecule is of the form CH3, CHBr, CHBr, CH2, CHBr, CHBr, CH3, making it a symmetric molecule with 4 stereocenters. Moving on to the next step. Apply the 2n rule as the maximum. With 4 stereocenters, the theoretical maximum is 4 is equal to 16 stereoisomers. Moving on to the next step. Because the molecule has a plane of symmetry, it is symmetric about the central CH2 pairs of configurations that are mirror images of each other through the center of the molecule may give meso compounds, reducing the actual count below 16. And for the final step. For a molecule of type A, B, CH2BA, where A is equal to CHBr, CH3 unit and B is equal to CHBr, the two halves are identical. Label the 4 stereocenters as C to C3, C5, C6. The pairs C2, C6 and C3, C5 are related by the molecular symmetry axis. For each half, C2, C3, there are 4 combinations R, R, S, S, R, S, S, R. The full molecule combines to halves. R, R plus R, R, S, S plus S, S. These are enantiomers of each other to stereoisomers. R, R plus S, S and S, S plus R, R. These are the same compound, meso, one stereoisomer. R, S plus R, S, S, R plus S, R, R, S plus S, R, S, R plus R. As analyzing these 4 meso-enantiomer relationships gives additional stereoisomers. The number of distinct stereoisomers for a symmetric molecule with 4 stereocenters arranged symmetrically is calculated as total is equal to 2, n1 plus 2, n2-1 is equal to 3 plus 2, 1 is equal to 8 plus 2 equals 10, using the formula for symmetric even n case. Alternatively, enumerating all combinations of C2, C3, C5, C6 configurations and removing duplicates due to molecular symmetry yields 10 distinct stereoisomers. A. 6 undercounts does not account for all non-meso combinations. B. 8 would be the answer if there were only 2 pairs with 1 meso each, but the symmetry analysis gives more. D. 16, this is to 4, ignoring all mesosymmetry reductions. The maximum number of stereoisomers is 10. Therefore, the correct answer is C. Therefore, the correct answer is option C.